to do, they call it affinity diagram. So you have to categorize everything, categorize the problem. All right, the problem with supplier. What else? Can read the carton label, wrong barcode, checking take too long, supplier send wrong product. All right, this problem related to supplier. Another problem related to system, the process, something like that. Problem related to people, transportation and equipment, not enough forklift, scanner doesn't. So you categorize the problem like this. It's easier to solve it efficiently, effectively. So problem with supplier, right? Contact your supplier and send this to them. Problem with the system, we contact the IT people, the IT department to take care of this thing. Problem with equipment, yeah, maybe you need more maintenance, or you need to replace it, too old. Transportation, yeah, I don't know, you need to improve the system. You need to, I don't know, this one we need to use, what is it we learned before, how to improve like on-time delivery. KPI, you need to use KPI to fix this too. Driver don't help with off-road, yeah, you need to like motivate the driver to take their job personally. And for the solving process, then we're going to use tool that we see in chapter 9.3 that we will study on Friday. Okay, so on Friday we're gonna work on the problem solving solution, how to solve the problem, and we have a tool with that too. We call, in the agenda, we call cause and effect analysis or fishbowl analysis. Okay, any question about the paper? Anyone finished the paper yet? Or still in progress? Or haven't started? Oh, what is the difference between figure 1 and 2? Oh, so 9.1 is just like any idea, any problem. Let's say, what is the problem with the company right now? So any idea that popping up, you have to write down, note it, right? And number 2, affinity diagram, you have to categorize it, put it in each type, in each category. So the problem related to our supplier here, in this row, this one, right? The problem related to the system here, in this row. Problem related to the people here, transportation equipment here. You categorize it. The due date is Monday 23:59 hour next week, the due date for the paper. So this is like the final paper of the semester. It's not a score for the final exam. We have different final exam, and it's gonna be hard final exam. Okay, we have more time now. We have more time to prepare. Yes, you have to put citation. You cannot make up your own data, make up your own number, any data, or any claim. You have to put citation. You cannot make up your own one. Especially when you give example, it's better to be citation, to in-text citation, and then the final page should be reference. Question? Anyone? If not, class dismissed, and have a good day for the rest of the week. See you on Friday. If you have any question, just stick around. Yes, you must put reference. It's a must. You must put reference. We will not have quiz on this Friday. We will not. Potentially next week, Monday. For the reference? No. The reference, I show you how to do it in the video. So go to the video I post in the system and link to YouTube. I will show you how, like one video I put in the title like final exam paper, and I think the video on Friday, I think Friday, yeah, Friday, I show you how to do that, how to put a reference citation. So go to that video and you will see it. Final exam, here I wrote down in syllabus final exam. Syllabus, you go syllabus here. It had percentage, like 80%, 40% and 60%. Yeah. Oh, 80% week 9, 15, and 20% week 1 to 7. Oh, no, but no, I'm not doing that anymore. Because this class we focus more on warehouse transportation inventory. So I might change this. So it's gonna be, yeah, 50-50 because we don't have midterm exam. Yeah, we don't have midterm exam. So 50-50. So 50% of the question gonna be on warehouse, inventory, and transportation, and the other 50% gonna be anything other than those chapters. Okay. Oh, for one main point, let's say the string. It's not necessary to describe 3 points. It's not, because you have limited space. You have only half a page to write on each main point, right? On each main point, you have only half a page. So use the right word. Any word that you feel like you don't need it, don't use it to save space. The last time I saw papers, some people they wrote a lot, like 7 pages, and I read it like some word or some sentence like you don't really need to put it there. So use it properly. So you might use 1, 2, or 3. You have more space, but I would not recommend it. 3. I think 2 is like enough. Make sure, be careful with your word that you use. Some word, if you add it up, it doesn't help your paper. So just take it out. Because when it doesn't help your paper, it just take more space. And yeah, take more space. You don't want that, so just take it out. Use anything that could explain the paper, make people understand it more. All right, any other questions? What lesson we call? All lesson, yeah. It's you ask me, but on the preparation week, I'm gonna ask you. So at that point, I'm gonna have all final exam question prepared, and then I'm gonna start asking you, not directly what the question said, but maybe in a broad way. Like ask you some general question that relate to the topic. In any topic that I said, it will be on exam. You ask me what to study, just study everything. Quiz. Look at the quiz. Any information that is important is always in the quiz. But it's not going to be short and easy like that. It's going to be maybe three paragraph question and a bunch of short answer question and a bunch of quiz, a bunch of like multiple choice or true false. Yeah, preparation week we done, but we don't have class, but we could have like maybe I hold like an optional section upon request. If you guys request, maybe you guys request a review, whatever, I could do that because I think it will help. Yeah, according to academic calendar, they said next week is preparation week. But I don't know. My supervisor said this week is week 13. But even though I don't really care because we will finish everything this Friday, right? Yeah, I think we should have make a class for review, maybe 1 or 2 hours, and it will help a lot. Well, okay. Just saw Sokir. I haven't seen Sokir for a while. Where is she? This is your first comment of the day. Yeah, same schedule. But we'll send out to you later. We will same schedule. Maybe I prefer to do it on Monday. Monday for you, Sunday for me. Same schedule. So next week I'm gonna see you guys the same site, same time, Monday. Oh, get well soon. Today I will upload the video to YouTube and I'll post it in a classroom system week 15. And Zakia, you could watch it. Nothing to worry about. It's in online mode, and our semester is almost over. Friday, if nothing changes, it's gonna be our last lecture, and then yeah, we'll start reviewing Monday. Yeah, we'll see. If we have 2 extra weeks, we're gonna work on the problem, and I might have some plan for you guys to write. I'm thinking if you have more time, I'm gonna ask you to write what is your plan, your goal you want to achieve next year, the next 2 years, the next 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, and write down, and then fold it, put in an envelope. It's like writing a letter to yourself, and if the letter say, all right, your goal next year, all right, and I'm gonna tell you to open it and read it next year. The letter that say that's sent to you in the next 2 years, you have to open it in the next 2 years. See how. Well, I want to know. I want to you guys to see how much you try to achieve your goal, what you want in your life. But that if we have more time, I'm gonna do that for for extra credit, extra credit for final grade. Okay. So I feel like my throat getting hurt right now. All right. See you guys. Have fun.